I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying intent. Are you fact-checking, researching, or finding a source? State the scope, time frame, region, or document type so results stay relevant. Once done, pick 1 or 2 engines or specialized databases that match your goal. Variety matters early. Then create a short keyword set, 3-5 terms plus synonyms and alternate spellings, because search engines match text, not intent. Make sure to note key dates or filters to apply immediately. This trims noise and speeds discovery. You now craft targeted queries using operators to direct the engine. Put exact phrases in quotes, exclude terms with minus, and limit domains with site or formats with file type. Apply filters, date ranges, country, or domain type so results match your intended scope. As you review top hits, iterate, swap synonyms, add or remove modifiers, and broaden or narrow scope depending on relevance. This back and forth hones precision. Each tweak reduces irrelevant pages and surfaces higher quality sources faster. You finish by quickly evaluating credibility. Check author, date, citations, and domain trust signals before trusting content. Extract key facts efficiently, copy quotes, note timestamps, and save source links or PDFs into a simple list or folder. If you hit a wall, troubleshoot. Change operators, widen the date range, try archived pages, or switch to a specialized database. Make sure to rerun refined queries after any tweak. That final loop often uncovers the precise source or fact you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.